right. You got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money. When you're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough for counting when the dealing's done.
Somebody's honey is growing in my icebox. Somebody's cold one is giving me chills. When I say, this way is a water side away from me that takes a further every day. So be cool.
So I handed him my bottle, and he drank down my last swallow. Then he bombed a cigarette and asked me for a light. And the night got deathly quiet, and his face lost all expression. Said, if you're gonna play the game, boy, you gotta learn to play it right. You got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money. When you're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough for counting.
Big Shack, where you at?
Imagine yourself in my shoes, close your eyes and get up in here, and picture how it feels to be a king for a minute. Now feel it, Porsches, Benzes, pounds is endless. It's never hard to tell who my crew of Twizzle is. Say it's Pepsi and dimes all around. Plush Italian suits cut and shines by the pound.
Is it because my life is 10 shades of gray? I pray all 10 fade away.
Wake up and fly to Cancun the next day. Player haters linger, this basketball swinger, staring at my grandmother's ring on my finger.
My only bleeding hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain.
So get it, let it go, my doe's longer swinger. More ice on my watch than in your block on December. Enrico Gonzalez, quick to take your honey on a trip around the world and spin his leg on.
You got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money. When you're sitting at the table,
Bottle is ready to go. Open up and let me.
you got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, and know when to run.
What the deal, playboy? Just rest your soul. I'll be holding it down, yo. Still love the dough. Got these ladies on the clock now, you know how we go. Got the whole world on lockdown, you know how we flow. And don't worry about Brooklyn, I continue to flame. Before a world with amnesia, won't forget your name. You held it down long enough, let me take those reins. And just like your spirit, your commission remains. Niggas can cross the T's and dot the I's. Now that I got too popular to cop them pies, I'm taking this rap shit serious. Till my demise, J shit's like cake mix. Watch me rise, basics in the basement. Wasted, asking my dog for advice, and when he can't say shit, my hatred is few, just give me a sign, and I let the world know that the city is mine.
Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man.
Yeah.
Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can.
Y'all wanna know how I flow, just seeking you find. I'm like a brain in the voice box, I speak my mind. I'm about to redefine rap, mommy. Either I'm the illest nigga doing it, or these niggas is losing it. I read an article that said I was growing and shit, but every time I look, I'm moving unison quick. So I'ma hit y'all with these last two and split, and leave niggas with nothing but my influences. To the students, the jigger, I ain't mad yet, bite my shit. So happy for what I sell, cause it's not quite my shit. I'm the type to buy Bodie and just ice my shit. On the spot, fuck coming back twice and shit. How real is that? My floor game still intact. Boss game, you lame dudes can't feel that. Like the first dude to cop the 850 and 89 and drove it up to 55th. The city is mine.
Jolene, 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 Jolene. 'cause you care.
I snatch your girl cause your arm ain't strong enough. Plus y'all don't stay in the studio long enough. I make hits while y'all stay hating and take breaks. Had it locked till I came in the club. Take 6, snatch the chick cause you swore she was innocent. Got her a Chinese manicure, hair done by Dominicans. All for what? So I could be in the dark corner, all in the bud at the bar, alcohol in her up. I represent the lifestyle of those who thirst scream. Buck 50 a shot, Lewis the 13. Jay-Z, Rockefeller, yo, know the name. I ain't a player, get it right. I'm controlling the game. From now until they blow holes in my frame, I'ma stand firm, holding my aim. Feel me? I'm the focal point like Biggie in his prime on the Lodo. Shh, the city is mine.
Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man.
Yeah.
Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can.
And I'd like to say hello to the black, the white, the red and the green, the purple and yellow. But first I gotta bang bang, stop my boots, boogie to the country beat. Catfish and cornbread is what I love to eat. But so far you heard my voice, yes it ain't no riddle. Right now I'm gonna introduce my man Slim on the fiddle. At the rodeo, ranch hands feel like acting up. Come on now, don't you know? Say C-O-U-N-G-R-Y, it's all the people's delight. I go by the unforgettable name of a man that called the country mine. My name is known all over the world by the city folk. In the cowgirl, I'm going down in history as the baddest cowboy there ever could be. Got Greg on the bass, Slim on the fiddle, got the down home music when you run to the middle. Throw your hands up in the air while you're dancing to the beat, shake your derriere, say yee-haw. Say yee-haw. Come on.
This one's called Mississippi Queen.
was one of them fine spring mornings in Hazard. One of them days that it was a privilege to be alive. You could hear the sounds of cotton buds popping, birds chirping, and Cletus eating.